Open Chrome, or any browser, then search the font. Font link in the description. Click on Download button. After downloading the font, open downloaded zip file. Select the TTF font, and click on Extract File. Select File Location, PicsArt, and then Font. Then click on Extract File here. Open PicsArt application, link in the description. Select Text Tool, and write your own word or any sentence. Then, click on plus button to select our installed font. Then click on My Fonts, then our text is converted into the font style. Color it. And save it to the gallery. Thank you.